Good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and this is just another Saturday. This Saturday, we are hiking to the Santa Ynez Canyon Waterfall Trail in Pacific Palisades, California. All right, so when you get here, you're gonna want to park on the street right outside the Camino de Yatazo sign. You see a fence on your right, and here's the opening. And you take these steps down, and that's where your journey will begin. Well, good morning, everyone. Today, we are hiking the Santa Ynez Canyon Trail, Waterfall Trail, near Pacific Palisades, California. It's a little over 2 miles. All Trails difficulty has it rated at a moderate difficulty, and it is a waterfall trail. Parking was free, had to park on the street, and immediately, actually, man, I'm just starting the trail. There's already a creek here. Immediately, you had to climb over like a piece of concrete, and it was very slippery. So just yeah, when you first enter the trail, you'll cross a little bit of a runoff on some concrete, and then you have to climb over a little slab of concrete, and it's very slippery. So just watch out for that when you start the trail. Everyone recommends downloading the maps. So far, I just started like right now, and so far, yeah, it can be a little tricky. Sorry, I thought I was gonna have a little easier opening than this. I'm already doing some climbing, so with that being said, let the journey begin. It's a rock shaped like a heart. Aww. What's going on over there? Alright, so far we're just beginning, and already I had to make one creek crossing, and to continue on the trail right there, there's some more creek to cross right here. So yeah, let's see if I can do it. I don't like to do it when filming, but just so you can watch, that's why I do it. So, oh yeah, the current's pretty strong. It's pulling my trekking pole away, so let's cross right here. And I am wearing waterproof shoes too, so I already got them wet, but I mean, I already stepped in water to cross at one point. Oh. got. Where'd it go? I just stepped over it. We got some tracks. Oh, where am I? Right here, do you see it? That is... I know that's a canine track, so it could be a coyote, probably. Don't think that is mountain lion. And I'm the only person in the parking lot, so I'm the only one here this early. Yeah, okay, I see another track right here. You see it? Okay, that is definitely not mountain lion. I don't know if you can see. Do you see the... What am I looking at? Do you see the claw marks on the top? So cats' claws are retracted. So if it was a mountain lion, you wouldn't see those claw marks. But canine species like wolves or coyotes, dogs, will leave a claw mark. So that's most likely coyote or someone's dog. I don't think it's bear. And yeah, if you check right here, right next to it, we got some poison oak right there. So yeah, raise some hazards, but it's cool. So now you know what to look for. And we will continue on the trail here. All right, it's been fun so far already. I hope I'm going the right way. I know you gotta take, you gotta follow the creek all the way up to the waterfall. So as long as you keep the creek nearby, you shouldn't get lost. So, oh, this area is beautiful over here. Okay, I'll catch up with you later. Okay, and when you come across this fork in the road, go right where the sign is. It says non-maintained. So follow this road path on the right to continue along. All right, let's continue. Okay, so a lot of people say it's easy to get lost on this trail, but someone placed all these little orange flags along the trail, and so far that has helped me out a lot. So if you're worried about getting lost, it's not really that easy to get lost. Just follow the orange flags if you do get lost. But yeah, it's not as scary as people online made it sound. So that's all. Just look out for the flags, and hopefully that'll help you. All right, we're continuing along. I found a more stable trail, and I cannot emphasize this enough. This is not a beginner's trail. You need some skills to do this trail. Lots of creek crossings, and there are no easy paths. And I say that as I'm walking through poison oak. So this is, yeah, definitely not a beginner's trail. So that's a slippery, muddy, difficult to navigate. Extremely beautiful though.
trail is extreme. I've took like 1,000,000 photos already. Oh, what is that? There's a bird, right? It's a cool looking bird. Yeah, extremely beautiful, totally worth it. The only way I would come back here is if I brought someone who has experience, because this is not a beginner's trail for sure. Someone could get hurt. Okay, see again, got a little tiny creek coming out of here, and now I don't know which way to go, so I'll check my map and I'll continue in a minute. Okay, so we got some tracks here, and they originate from this tree. So something must have come down this tree and walk this way, and I kind of lose them here in the leaves. Don't know what kind of animal that is. Let's see if, maybe we should check and see if we can find it. Yeah, let's go find it. Just kidding. All right. Let's continue. The camera does not do this justice. This is beautiful. I cannot tell you how beautiful this is. See in person. Super, super beautiful. Wow, look at the variety of plant species. Okay, so I know this isn't going to be a popular opinion for everyone, but you should wear pants and long sleeves when doing this trail. There's so much poison oak here. Normally I can avoid it. You cannot avoid rubbing up against it on this trail. It is everywhere. It's in the trail. There's no way around it. You will rub up against poison oak in this trail. So I know some people like the comfort, but I'm telling you, long sleeves, long pants, it's a smart thing to do. So that's my advice. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, so according to the map, the waterfall is just around the corner right here. So let's get to it. All right, and we're here. Santa Ynez Falls in Pacific Palisades, California. It's about 9:20 a.m. and I am the only person here because this is not an easy trail. It was difficult. You really need some skills to do this trail, and that probably explains why I'm the only one here. So there you have it, folks. Santa Ynez Falls, Pacific Palisades, California. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you like this kind of content, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And also don't forget to check out my top 20 favorite hiking trails in Southern California. The link is on the end screen. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.
Bye.